is Huzaifa Maulidia, and my student is 642507111. Today, I'm going to give a speech and a presentation about two present continuous tense. First, I will start with my first, which is title Thoughts on Lecturer at BSI Universitas. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. As Beufan Usal, I respect the lecturer at BSI University, and I'm proud of my fellow students and all of you. Today, I would like to share a few words about a figure who is essential to our academic journey, the lecturer at BSI University. For me, the lecturer at BSI University and more than just teacher. They serve a motivator, and even friends in the listening process. They not only deliver learning material, but also build character, skill, and enthusiasm, and introduce life values the we will always carry with one info the fufura. I have personally witnessed the introductor at BSI University generously support us, responding to all our inquiries even after class teams. They are not only in the classroom, but also in how helps as role model. Amid technological advance and its increasingly complex challenges in the world of work, BSI University lecturer continue to apply. They not only understand theory, but also integrate industry participate to the learning process. This is what makes the student feel ready to face the realities of the world. I am confident that the success of BSI University in producing competent and highly competent graduates is greatly influenced by the significant contribution of its faculty member. Therefore, let us extend our appreciation of the faculty member who have The detention had hold like the time and have to education the nation you. Thank you for all your dedication and sincerity. Masya Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward all the kindness of our lecture with manifold blessing. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, now let's continue to my presentation about the present continuous tense. I am going to explain what the present continuous tense is. Learning objective. This learning material aims to facilitate studi, identification, understanding, and effective application of the present continuous tense. Study will be guided to recognize its structure, which includes the verb to be in conjunction with the current form of verb. Furthermore, learner will participate in exercises designed to construct sentences in positive, negative, and interrogative form. I primary objective is to help study differentiate the present continuous tense from the simple present tense and to minimize common grammatical error through illustration, list, example list, and focus express learners will enhance her comprehension and communication skill. Characteristic. The present continuous tense is tense asset to descriptive actions that are happening at the moment of speaking. It is also used to talk about temporary action of events that are ongoing but might not be permanent in another sense. This tense can also describe future arrangements that have already been planned. For example, when someone say, "I am studying right now," it clearly how the the activity is taking place at his moment. To this tense focus on ongoing action, and situations that are in progress. General formula. The present continuous tense follows present to the rest. Positive form, subject plus am is are plus verb in. Example, she is cooking dinner. Negative form, subject plus am is are not plus verb in. Example, they are not playing not play no. Quotient from I am is are plus subject plus verb in. Example, are you studying English? Function. The present continuous tense as imports function in English communication. This is expresses action the are happening at the moment of speaking. Just like I'm eating remote. Con is descriptive temporary action or event of the case are not happening at this con for stable. She is staying with her friend. Friends is great. First is can to be going to talk about future plan of arguments that have already been defined. For example, well, are we are meeting the teacher tomorrow. Or who's off to be. In the tense, the verb to be apply where the correct form must match the subject. I am, she, he, she, it, is, you, well, they are. Using the word to be will make a sentence grammatical incorrect. For example, we do not say they is planning, but they are planning. Verb plus in plus. To form the continuous verb English head to be display forward to feeling rules for regular verb playing if the verb and in a remove a then a in very thing. If the ferry is hot and it is in consonant for vowel consonant double the last consonant tuning. Team expansion. Common team expansion was set with the present constant include now, right now, at the moment, currently, today. These expressions emphasize the activity is happening in the present time. When to use present continuous when an action is taking a place where he expecting Example, she is cooking dinner right now. Example of sentence just positive. 1. I am studying English now. 2. She is cleaning her from. 2. She is cleaning her from. 3. They are exercising at the game. Example of tension is negative. 1. I am not eating at the moment. 2. She is not listening to music now. 3. We are not doing homework with right now. Example of tension is interrogative. 1. Are you watching TV? 2. Is he watching I later? 3. Am I talking too fast? Difference with simple present. The present continuous and simple present tense may look similar, but they serve different purpose. The present needs habits, routines of or past shoes as see art effort see art money. And well, the present continue describes action happening right now, such as she is reading right now. Understanding is difference helps student avoid confusion when speaking or writing. Daily life example. 1. I am brushing my teeth right now. 2. My sister is doing her homework in her room. 3. We are walking looks together this afternoon. Short dialogue. What are you doing? B. I am working on only English achievement. A. Really? I am also studying right now. B. That's great. Let's do it together. Come on, Miss Takis. Money learners makes mistake most as porting the to be using the word from of the word or missing tense. For example, word the reading note. Coordinates. She is reading note. Study should always remember the structure to be plus parting. Exercise. Fill in the blank with the coordinating from the air that saw on the state. 2. The is curve not less for youth. 3. I am writing an email to teacher. Short, short dialogue to A. Where is mom? B. She is cooking dinner in the kitchen. C. What about that? B. He is watching TV in the living room. Conclusion. In conclusion, the present continuation tense, present continuous tense is used to describe action that are happening now, temporary situation, and future tense is requires and is are followed by verb in mastering. This tense help students express going, activating, really, clearly, and accurately. It both spoken and written communication with practice study will become more confidence is using the tense in daily conversation and academic tense. Thank you.